Let's take a look at how to start inspections from Actions. Actions help your team create and manage tasks inside or outside of inspections to ensure nothing gets overlooked. I noticed a forklift with faulty brakes, so I created an action for the maintenance team to address it. Some actions need inspections before work begins. For the faulty brakes, the maintenance team must complete a full inspection. Add templates to actions so assignees complete inspections before closing tasks. Let's take a closer look. We'll use the mobile app, but you can also perform this on the web app. Tap Actions to open your list. If needed, tap here to create a new action. Select the action. Inspections are turned on through action types. For a new action, select the relevant action type. To add a template, inspections need to be turned on for the action type you're using. This can be done in Action Settings. If the action creator hasn't already added a template, tap here. Then select the template. Then begin the inspection by tapping Start. You can also start multiple inspections from the same template if needed. Now the maintenance team can complete the inspection, ensuring the forklift is safe to use before closing the action. If your team needs to turn on inspections in action types, search Link Templates to Action Types in our Help Center. For this and more ways to use actions, head to help.safetyculture.com.